Your AI agents should not just live on phone lines and websites. It should be everywhere. And by that I mean social media. Today, I'll show you how to deploy your Convo Core agents to Messenger and Instagram. No rewrites, no reconfiguration, just a few clicks of a button and you're live. If your AI agent's already built, skip ahead to this timestamp. Otherwise, let me show you how to create an agent. All right, everyone, to get started, let's head over to convocore.ai. And now we're going to create our agent. Hit New Agent, name your agent, and create. So now we are under the prompt tab. Let's start with a greeting message. I want the AI to start the conversation, so I'm leaving this off. Now for the prompts. So I'm giving it a name. I'm telling it what to expect, what the goal is, and an example of the kind of interaction that I expect the AI to handle. The most important part here is this. This is a guardrail. If the answer cannot be found in the document, do not fabricate information. Instead, inform the user that it's not available in the knowledge base and advise them to contact us via phone. This just ensures that all the information given is correct. For knowledge base, we make sure that this is turned on because we are going to be uploading the knowledge base. Let's hit publish. Now we are going to upload the document that the AI is going to base its answers on. Click Knowledge tab, add source, file. I have previously created the frequently asked questions, the pricing, everything that a customer needs to know about the company and the service is here. So we're going to upload this and click Add Files, and we hit Save. And as you can see, the information is uploaded. By the way, you can test out the accuracy of the answer by clicking Preview KB and asking it any questions from the FAQ to see if the answer is accurate. For example, are pets allowed? I have a cat. Is it allowed? Okay, how about iguana? Okay, this is where the guardrail kicks in. So the knowledge base does not provide specific information about keeping iguanas as pet because according to knowledge base, it only mentioned dogs and cats and service animals. Now that we've created our agent, it is now time to connect it to Facebook and Instagram. All right, so first what you're going to do is connect Facebook and Instagram. You hit the messenger icon at the top right, click Instagram, connect Instagram, and click log into Instagram. For this integration to work, you have to allow access to Instagram messages and inbox. Log into your Instagram page. You should see both your Facebook page and Instagram page. Just hit continue. It should ask for a verification code. Enter it. And now Instagram is connected to your Facebook page. It's time to connect your Convo Core agent to your Facebook and Instagram pages. Click Channels. Click the Connect button beside Messenger. Continue with Meta. Continue and continue with your profile. Choose the Facebook page. Continue. Choose the business account. Continue. And lastly, choose the corresponding Instagram page. Continue. And save. Click Got It. And now it should show your Facebook and Instagram pages connected to your Convo Core agent. It should show the page IDs. And as you can see, Messenger and Instagram are both connected. Now that our agent is connected to Messenger and Instagram, let us go ahead and test it. All right, so using a regular Facebook profile, I'm going to message the hotel, ask it a question, why? Okay, and now it's answered. Actually, all our rooms are equipped with smart TVs. As you can see, all rooms are equipped with smart TVs for streaming and cable access. This is accurate. Now, how about this question? there are four of us, my wife, my friend, and his wife. Which room do you recommend? Let's see how it answers that. And by the way, while that conversation is happening on Facebook, it's also happening under the chats tab. So as you can see, it is also reflecting live. So you also have the option to continue the chat yourself or let AI handle it. Let's see how it answers that. For a group of 4 adults, the deluxe room would be an excellent choice as it accommodates up to 4 guests comfortably. As you can see, the answer is customized. It first suggested deluxe room because there are 4 of them, but then it also presented another option, which was the standard room, and lastly, executive suite. All right, so let's go ahead and test the Instagram agent. Let's message the hotel and how much. Okay, I should tell you, you're going to interact with an AI. Please let us know if you need to talk to a human, and we'll notify our team. You don't have to set this up. This will automatically show on the message. Here is the answer, prices per night, which is correct. Let's ask us something different. What room do you recommend for a couple on their honeymoon? You will see that here, this is the Instagram icon. And it says that the conversation is live and that you have the option to continue the chat yourself. I recommend the executive suite, and there's a reason here. How much? Wow, so expensive. Okay, I understand that an executive suite is a premium option. You might consider a deluxe room at $130 per night. Anything cheaper than that? Certainly. Okay, and now it recommends the standard room. I don't know. Anything cheaper? Let's see if it hallucinates. Okay, I understand that you're looking for a more affordable option. Unfortunately, standard at $85 per night is the most economical choice. Okay, it's really sticking to the script. It's not making up answers. We did not need to create a separate agent for Facebook, a separate agent for Instagram and phone and web chat. It is all coming from the same agent. It can work on any platform, phone, web chat, Instagram, WhatsApp, Messenger. As of the date of this filming, as you can see, these are the platforms where you can deploy. And I also already created a tutorial for WhatsApp. So check that out. I'm going to link it up here or in the description. You can deploy it with a phone number through Twilio. If we click on Leads tab, you will see that the information of the customers and where the users come from are displayed here. So one for Messenger, one for Instagram. You can even create metrics to track your own analytics. I've also created a video on that, so check that out. I'm going to link it up here. You can create your own metrics and data and analytics. So you can create your own chart and dashboards, for example, that your clients can log into to see the metrics that they care about. It's complete. Everything's here. You only build the agent once and you deploy it everywhere. If you want to download this agent, I'm going to link the JSON file below and you can try it out for yourself. So if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and we'll get back to you.